Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to use ChatGPT to make engaging YouTube videos. If you've ever struggled with coming up with fresh ideas or writing scripts, this video is for you. Let's get started. Section 1. Understanding ChatGPT. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model created by OpenAI. It can help with a range of tasks from brainstorming ideas to drafting scripts. Think of it as your personal assistant for content creation. Why should you use ChatGPT for your YouTube videos? Well, it can save you time and help spark creativity. Whether you need a new video topic or a full script, ChatGPT has got you covered. Section 2. Using ChatGPT for idea generation. First up, let's talk about generating video ideas. You can ask ChatGPT questions like, "What are some trending topics in tech right now?" or "Give me video ideas for a cooking channel." Here's an example. I'm typing in, "What are some unique video ideas for a travel channel?" Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Look at that. ChatGPT has given us some fresh ideas. Now, let's refine these concepts. Section 3. Script writing with ChatGPT. Now, onto script writing. Start by asking ChatGPT to create an outline. For example, you can say, "Help me outline a video about beginner photography tips." Here's an outline for our video. Next, we use this to draft a script. You can input the outline into ChatGPT and ask it to generate a script. Remember to personalize and adjust it to fit your style. Section 4. Enhancing video content. ChatGPT can also help with creating engaging intros and outros. For instance, if you need a catchy intro, ask ChatGPT for suggestions. It can also help craft compelling conclusions and calls to action. Don't forget to add interactive elements like questions or viewer prompts. ChatGPT can suggest ideas to keep your audience engaged. Section 5. Practical tips and best practices. Here are a few tips. Always review and customize the content generated by ChatGPT to ensure it fits your brand and voice. And remember, it's a tool to enhance your creativity, not replace it. To wrap it up, using ChatGPT for your YouTube videos can streamline your content creation process and spark new ideas. Give it a try and see how it works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments if you've used ChatGPT for your videos or have any questions. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into next topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.